How to use Illustrate AI for custom clip art creation. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Illustrate AI for your custom clip art creation. So let's dive right in. First of all, what you'll need to do is open up Design Bundles. This is a website, and log in into your account. Then finally click on Create with Illustrate AI right here. After you do that, Illustrate AI's website should open up. There we go. Now, all you now have to do is create a text prompt. You can give it a text prompt right here. And after you give it a text prompt, so let's do that. A night. And after you give it a text prompt, you can select the necessary art style. After you give it an art style, you can also choose the image count, the size, and also the engine. Then finally tap on create. After you tap on create, the image should start creating, and it can take some while depending on the complexity of the text prompt that you've given and also your internet connection. After that, you can then download the image. To download the image, you'll first need to publish it. So hover over here, you can directly choose download in 2K, which it will ask you first you will need to publish it. And as you can see, it's now getting published. And right after it gets published, it will start downloading. So there you can see the download's been complete. And after the download's been complete, you can then use the downloaded image for your clip art creation. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.